Did you know that you can make passive income from trading without actually trading? If you want to learn how, you should definitely watch this video until the end. Let's face it, one of the biggest barriers to trading is the lack of knowledge. Not many have the time to study charts, study different patterns, and stay on top of news. But what if you could make a profit by actually copying successful traders? Would you do it? Well, yes you can. This can be done by copy trading or social trading. This method will enable you to copy positions open and managed by the trader you have selected to copy. Any action done by the copied investor, such as setting a stop loss or take profit, will be copied directly onto your account. In other words, you just simply put your money down in an account and let the chosen trader buy and sell with your cash. In order to get started, you'll need a broker which allows copy trading. The ones I will be sharing with you are ActorFX and eToro. So I'm just going to give you two quick pros and cons of each broker. For ActorFX, it has a lower minimum requirement for you to start copying traders. In most cases, you need just $25 to get started, while the minimum on eToro for most traders is $1,000. eToro has a wider asset class for you to choose from, things like crypto, CDs, and foreign exchange currencies, while on the other hand, ActorFX only has foreign exchange currency available. Both have their pros and cons, but they both get the job done. I'll leave the links in the description for you to sign up. After you have completed your registration and funded your account, the next step is to research a profitable trader and copy them. You should take your time and review each trader's performance thoroughly before making a decision, because this is your money and you need to make sure you are selecting the best to manage your money. While it's kinda impossible to predict exactly how much you'll make from copy trading, I can give you an idea of what you can make based on what some of the top traders are making on eToro. But remember, past results are not indicative of future performance. As you can see on your screen, there are traders on eToro who have made returns of 20 plus. Some of them have made returns of even more. There are some traders on the platform that have made even larger returns, but I wouldn't copy them. They are using too much risk and are likely to wipe out their accounts. On eToro, when you copy a trader, their trades will be mirrored in your account using the same proportions. So if a trader opened a trade using 1% of their capital, the same trade will be made with 1% of the funds you allocated to copy that trader. Now let's look at a scenario where we copy trader Richard Stroud. Over the last year, he has delivered 66.54%. So how would this translate to copy trading if you have invested? If you have copied this trader with $500, you'd have made a profit of $332.07 over the past 12 months. If you copied the trader with $1,000, you'd have made profit of $665.04. And if you have copied the trader with a larger amount such as $5,000, you'd have made a profit of $3,327. So the more you invest, the more you will make. Remember, these are just rough figures based on past results, and I can't guarantee you will see the same result in the future. It can be more or it can be less. This is just to give you an idea of how much you would need to invest. This figure doesn't take into account the compounding effect. The profits a trader makes is automatically kept for copy trading. This means that the amount you have allocated to the trader will increase over time, and the amount of money used for each trade will also increase. So if you're copying the right people, you can make more than you would invest in an index fund, and obviously way more than what the bank pays you in interest. I believe this is an excellent way to earn passive income, but remember, investing is a long-term game and you should not invest more than you can lose. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.